To enable and use the swipe down for notification panel feature in Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find home screen. Tap home screen. Alternatively, you can go to this menu from your home screen. To do so, on your home screen, long tap on an empty area to go to the home screen edit screen, and then select setting. Next, scroll down the screen, and then tap the gray on offset next to swipe down for notification panel until the switch turns blue to turn it on. To see how this feature works, go to your home screen. Now, try swiping down anywhere on the screen. You can see that now whenever you swipe down anywhere on the screen, it will open up the notification panel. Given to the function, you can enable this feature if you like to have an alternative and more convenient way to open up your notification panel. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.